Hello everyone, I'm Li Jun, president of Micoe Group. Micoe entered the heat pump industry in 2012. That year, we built Asia's largest heat pump manufacturing base in Shunde, Guangdong. After 10 years of growth, in 2021, we launched the Northern Heat Pump Intelligent Manufacturing Base in Lianyungang, Jiangsu. This gave Micoe a strategic layout, dual bases in the south and north. Today, I'm happy to be your guide. Let's tour the Northern Heat Pump Intelligent Manufacturing Base and visit the industry's first heat pump zero carbon lab building. Let's see how a great heat pump starts from a steel plate, goes through manufacturing and R&D step by step, and finally reaches the market. Behind me is our intelligent heat pump factory, located in the Lianyungang base, Jiangsu. This factory covers over 300,000 square meters. That's about the size of 42 standard soccer fields. Under one roof, we have sheet metal production, heat exchanger, and high-efficiency tank lines, automatic welding shop, copper tube, processing, painting, injection molding, precision molds, electronics factory, and final assembly lines. Our products cover commercial heat pump units, residential heating and cooling units, domestic hot water heat pumps, heating-only units, pool heat pumps, plus large, medium to high temperature screw units and centrifugal units. Annual output exceeds 700,000 units. 95% of core components are made in-house. This is the largest full-chain heat pump production base in northern China. With the highest level of specialization, it has been recognized as a smart manufacturing factory, a zero-carbon factory, and a national-level 5G factory. This is Micoe's sheet metal stamping workshop for heat pumps. Let's take a look at these world-class, hardcore sheet metal manufacturing machines. With these advanced machines, Micoe has built a complete precision manufacturing process, covering, cutting, forming, welding, and painting. This greatly improves production efficiency and product quality, ensuring every batch is consistent. This is the Swiss Bystronic leveling and laser cutting combo machine. It automatically levels coils, feeds material precisely, and performs precision cutting. It ensures a smooth cut surface and greatly improves accuracy and quality. This is our German Trumpf 2000 CNC machining center. Its punching speed reaches over 900 strokes per minute. With this speed, we can easily punch high-precision parts, ensuring every part is identical, accurate to the millimeter. Our automatic bending machine ensures consistent dimensional accuracy for residential heat pump casings, as well as large commercial unit frames. This is our fully automatic sheet metal stamping press. It can reach up to 800 tons and offers automatic feeding, precise positioning, and high-speed stamping. When it comes to welding, we strive for excellence. Our in-house designed automatic welding and grinding line uses Japan's advanced FANUC robots and Germany's KUKA robots, making welding quality more stable and environmentally friendly. Now we're at the heat exchanger production shop as the core component of a heat pump. The heat exchanger directly determines its heat transfer performance, especially heating performance and energy efficiency in low temperatures. At Micoe, we make 100% of our heat exchangers in-house. The higher the in-house rate, the better the integration with the unit. The whole line is automated: punching, tube insertion, tube expanding, degreasing, automatic welding, helium leak testing, and bending. Our corrugated hydrophilic aluminum fins achieve average precision of 0.1 millimeters, vertical precision of 0.03 millimeters. Water doesn't stick, frost doesn't form easily. The corrugated design gives more heat transfer area, so better heating. Let me show you. A drop of water quickly slides off. It doesn't stick to the fin surface. That means less frost during low temperature heat exchange and less water pooling on the fins during defrost. This greatly improves heat transfer performance. We also innovated a louvered fin design, adding 20 heat exchange openings on each side of every heat transfer unit. More contact area between air and the aluminum fin, stronger heat exchange capacity, and a big boost in overall heat transfer efficiency. This is the evaporator being produced. The copper tubes. You see, they look ordinary, but there's a lot inside. Our dedicated heat exchanger copper tubes have a wall thickness of 2.4 millimeters. And take a closer look. Here's a kutopin tube. The inner wall is covered with internal teeth 0.18 millimeters high. This design greatly increases the heat exchange area between the copper tube and the refrigerant, making the temperature exchange between refrigerant and air more complete, and significantly improving heat transfer efficiency, especially today, when many use aluminum instead of copper. Micoe stays with real materials to ensure quality in every product. After punching, we go to tube insertion, tube expanding, degreasing, and drying for welding. We use fully automatic welding technology with 126 nozzles working together to weld the small U-bends, ensuring consistent product quality. After automatic welding, we do helium leak testing on the copper tubes to check the gas tightness of every weld, ensuring no leaks in any evaporator. The last step in evaporator production is automatic bending. Our machine can bend large sizes, up to 1.8 meters by 1.8 meters. Besides evaporators, Micoe also makes 100% of its high-efficiency tanks in-house. We are the first heat pump company with an end-to-end production chain for high-efficiency tanks. Now we're at the electronics and control workshop of Micoe's smart factory. We all know the heart of a heat pump includes the evaporator, compressor, four-way valve, and more. But even more critical are the control board and drive. Micoe is the first in the industry to use automotive-grade chips in its main control boards and drives. With automotive-grade chips and IGBT modules, we program Micoe's unique control logic and intelligent algorithms, creating our proprietary DHC inverter heating core. Thanks to this DHC core, Micoe heat pumps are highly efficient under normal conditions, deliver powerful heating in extreme low temperatures, and run stably for up to 10 years as one of the few brands that master core control technology. Micoe uses world-class SMT plus dual inline package technology. We manufacture our own controllers and drive modules, from chip soldering to program writing. The entire process is controlled in-house with zero external dependency. Our electronics workshop also handles wire harness manufacturing, electrical assembly, program downloading, board wiring, functional testing, full process coverage. It is precisely because of the strong R&D and production capability of our electronics factory that we can independently develop Micoe's 3 core technologies: DHC, variable frequency heating technology, DD-Hot, heating ring high power technology, and CAS clean energy coupling intelligent operation platform. All this makes our heat pumps run smarter, more efficiently, and more reliably. Now we've arrived at the final assembly workshop of the Lianyungang heat pump, intelligent manufacturing base. All the components come together here and are assembled into finished products. On average, one heat pump rolls off the line every 32 seconds. This workshop has 7 assembly lines in total, 5 for heating and cooling products, and 2 for water heating products. We can produce units from 1 HP up to 180 HP, covering heating and cooling heat pumps, heating-only units, domestic hot water heat pumps, commercial units, and pool heat pumps. The first critical process step is the helium leak testing behind me to ensure the gas tightness of our final product. We imported high-precision helium leak detectors from Germany. Our testing standard is 7 times stricter than the national standard. The second core test before any product goes to market is that 100% of units must go through the inspection room where they are powered on and connected to water for testing. The inspection covers 9 major categories and more than 50 parameters. How is the judgment made? By machine or by human?
The equipment makes an automatic judgment first, then our people double check.
Only products that meet all parameters can move to the next step, packaging. Now we've arrived at the Intelligent Manufacturing Operations Center of the high-tech heat pump factory. Today, we've invited the factory director of Micoe's heat pump factory, General Manager Wei.
Hello, President Li. Hello, everyone. This is the Intelligent Manufacturing Operations Center of the Lianyungang base. We've built 7 core systems: supplier management, production scheduling, quality management, manufacturing execution, equipment management, warehouse management, and data acquisition and monitoring system. This covers a digital management system across the entire value chain, giving us transparent production, refined management, and data-driven decision-making.
From precision sheet metal production to in-house manufacturing of core components, electronics manufacturing, and precision assembly, Micoe's super factory is redefining standards at the source of production. We've achieved comprehensive quality control over every product. That means every heat pump we make serves our users at its very best, delivering a more reliable user experience. Whether you're curious about our products or exploring a collaboration, you're welcome to leave a comment. I'm listening.